Ewujavo ahaya GCDs mema Bawumia kwaba ahadia latest and hot news nkwa enabede bremo anuti se wuna subscribe to channel ya bomodi ase over subscribe to channel dobe ya se over click the subscribe button na wa belly notification ya nisa ni video bia be upload when the first person I was sabeka hey video afi wo bia na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na afi share my offer so na when you be here na wo hu ya ekoso ewo Ghana me wano afi yahwe ye ensema abeto yepono ye Bulgaria ye blind history on justice Kweku Annan medical story abeto ye Bulgaria eni ye wotisi ye Kweku Annan so to be man no ya de na wo cancel ni nyine je se ye ontiase se Kweku Annan atine ni esi ye Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia so awoka na hunsem bebre na no na ye Bulgaria ba bonte abeto to be man na sansemu ya akwakudu ye Kweku Annan enima atese ni bo enyo ensema ye Bulgaria edi betu ya ne ono so ene wa ye Bulgaria pasa tese ensem no ano hie pa na mitimi inkasa asemu yo ha na ye beko ye Kweku Annan akati na onwa ensema wo kafa ye Bulgaria hono ma muti ni na ntentemara yinkuti ensema ye Kweku Annan edi edi nti ni nsema.
May I not offend disabled more eye problems, right? I'm saying it for the purpose of clarity. This guy claims to be say or a disabled neniefra, and I'm sure some of you have heard him so on social media and so. I don't even know his name. Guy be on social media and so. They be no washe 20 saying washe 12th century sunglasses be stupidly, foolishly misbehaving on the social media. Say neniefra. No, he speaks like an autistic child. I say, what the hell is this nigger? Hello, boy. And you want to come and talk about me exit from Hot FM? Please get your facts right. I am one of the journalists, folks. Let me say this quickly and leave it there. Had it not been Ora Kennedy Agyapong, me say I repeat, had it not been Ora Kennedy Agyapong, it is so possible, say Kweku, I would have still continued to do my journalism without my face being on camera. I say this with without uncertainty. Oh yes, Nipa or breaking the code of my image in camera ever in how many years, 20-something years in journalism was Kennedy Agyapong, and that started or that journey began at Net2 TV. And I won't say he did it right or wrong. I'm still proud, say, even though I had wanted to maintain my undercover journalism. But tonight, may I say, I'm not scared. Say tonight, my image is out there. No. Not at all. Right. It's a conspiracy. No? Get your facts right. Then, he goes again to say, I Kweku Annan mitihi. Ghana software waha. I have taken money from those software for whatever. Let me say, hey, now something when me can now who branch we cry at least when you from power aswan uditiasem. You haven't heard. Do you know how many times I've dared? Not even men of God alone. No. Any politician in this country, whoever you are, upa for some come obi, who are soft on the crown, upa, who member kasa. For all the facts about what sa sofon sikaku odema owura Kweku Annan who also for memeka o one kasa fe komo obi no obi meka ne nipa no onfa me Kweku Annan me image any kwan o di sika ma me o so ye ne dan o whichever way o se video wa pictures wa audio wa on femra. How many times have I not said this in the Ghanaian media space? And no man of God, I repeat, no man of God and a politician want to step out. And you goddamn rogue, a despicable being, claiming that you have eyes or you don't have eyes, and you want to sneak your way across the social media and spew garbage about people doing their job because you've been paid. What bodam? And the things they are doing there, one more reason say, Ora Osofu Penny Isaac Owusu Bempa is their target. Therefore, they want me to join their foolish bench wagon. They went on again to say, maybe the hopes na doye ababetraha. And as long as somebody hopes na ababetraha, and also a more problem. So then it's beginning to look like they have a beef with Hobson, and by extension, as I say, and number 3, I feel my constant critique on the candidates Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia. 24 and krantia or dram muhufi unimyansa. Folks, pardon me for my choice of words tonight. Because me won't catch politicians and anybody out there an attack on my image and my integrity, then do it well. Because me here tonight, if we are journalists, be more recognition, and I'm more bloggers, be more recognition, maybe I'm a triable. But all of you, we are like an abyss. You are like a rat to mop the floor. And kranteni nkusie ewire mufua mintimi nkai mudin yet yetua mokasa mo be say doing how why won't you get your fast right na me hwe kurase ni bi so onu just say from today going mini Kweku Annan dia na me okusie babi o hwe wirem ya maniska so me dede so tonight me di mu wie say mini mu wia from ochineko from any day kosi mo meye me ho adwuma mo me wiase dia moment we are seeing who Kweku Annan is. You got what I'm saying, folks? One of the greatest gospel singers of our time, Kek Frank, said, go out there, let them talk about you. Go out there, let them talk about you. So I'm out there, come and talk about me. My mom with Juma, most abroad. So I got me person kind of or she spares me some 12th century sunglasses be the new in the musa na dinner or something. I'm saying, is this guy an autistic child or what? Who is this guy? Now you are better also normal Owusu bempa and comes on Shennas. Now I'm Owusu bempa and come on Shamia. Sometimes people want to invite me into all sorts of ongoing debates, all sorts of issues out there. That absurdity, me do want to ask you. Assembly Kweku Annan min kebi no enipa be jebe sa se min be kebi na man kebi nzo e is it by force assembly na min kebi na nui ora salifu amakwa asemi enipa jebe sa min be ka sa man kebi e Ghana fo ni bi me busuafo emonsamfo abeifo munim nyansa obi enya na asema Kweku Annan min kwa na me wa no ameko kebi na ye den. The same thing, my kid brother, I was attacked heavily. Say, me to ho, and I'm a kid brother, a boom crofo, and a say, and you need to try me alapal, di matemi dia to me all sorts of names. Yet to me all sorts of names. At least give me the benefits of the doubt. Say, yes, he's my brother, but allow me to investigate about my brother. No, nipa si and TB that. A 24 so monte that. Afina, me jebre. Na me di mi nuanu esi no the cruise missile no so or the tomahawk and so no na me di see information super highway no so afina sa angrofo no mo enfa o se mo ni egu ase enwan amu asefo o se mo ni egu ase yeah oh na Kweku Annan and on no se kwasiafo ni jimi. They will not allow you to do your own thing. Oh. They want to dictate the pace for you. Me, I'm not one of those journalists. And I'm not saying that me, young coming once more, how, Kweku Annan, what the hell are you? Man, you go out there, let them talk about you, right? But what I'm saying is, hey, get your facts well. You gotta ask your right. Get your facts well and come and speak. Your inability to tell the true, real story, I will expose you. That little rook, that little twitch, Ube me, Hot FM, I was sacked. Do you know? Go and find out. Me too, I make us say, Umunyana my better now. And so my pa radio. I've gone past radio. Hey, and a year to Amokansom, yes, to Amoka, Munye Sikani, Sikani dear, Pamocho, Munye, Namodia, Menye lazy, go, Quadigini pano, Tegini, Quadigini pano, Nini Paniano, whom from what the two will be in say, yeah. After allegation of Kweku Annan, Wakwaji Sikawa, software, Mwakasa way, and the stupid allegations way, nobody has ever come out with a proof, and no man of God has come out to say, yes, I gave Kweku Annan money to stop talking about me. My investigations, no, you don't lecture me the rudiments of the job. Please go and learn. Do the investigations about the guy, bring it out. Namunya inkusie ni nkokuo agrona muti hwire mu wona amudie no Monsam Fonsana, Namidi Mubeviano, whether you like it or let me break African Mobama Adenaya West. Let me break the news to you. Ora Bawumia, where you're true for Bawumia is one goddamn hell of a politician of my sort under the 1992 Constitution, or if you like, under this very era of the 8th Parliament of the 4th Republic, governed by Bawumia. Oh, you're a despicable liar like him, who refuses to tell a truth. Always lying, 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 and lying. And you want me to allow Bawumia to lie through to power? What bodam? What yare? I'm not going to allow that. And we'll face Bawumia until his opposition. How dare you? Why can't you speak a bit truth? And pro any nada, Bawumia will tell me kind of credit. Now, maybe some. How many times? Then people should come and tell us. How many times Bawumia, has not been exposed by his own words? And is it history? Is it news? Bawumia has been exposed by Onwankasa. When your when your exchange rate is DBA, or whatever, your exchange rate will expose you. And when your fundamentals are weak, Mami putting in quotation, when your fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate would expose you. And more across board. Foolish people. How destitute and how unreasonable mubetimiaye. And we sit in this country, 32 million Ghanaians are being insulted by this guy called Bawumia. How many years of Bawumia? How old is he? How old is Bawumia? We sit in this country, the driver's man, I just want to know his driver's license. I want to know his driver's license, the driver's mate. And some funny kano near Tiha, just because Bawumia won't post. So we should allow Bawumia to lie through to power. Not bodam. Not bodam. Come physically or come spiritually. Namonriadia. Namovia Semetia, Metiano, Minimi left from a right. And Mobini Nine, Nkokua, Ninkrantia, Mutisem Kusia Muyichin. Go and learn. Namunko to Bawumia for. Some funa mudi okromano. Hey, we are here to forest in the. We want to rescue Ghana. Whether you people like it or not. I mean, Kami means you kakrakura. Banmana. Yes. Yes. That's what I mean. Yes. Sure. Me the mean see you be as a man in any juma. But me the say you will juma any clean. O kokon bi ho asem me hire me tie. Me nke come in some basaba me kase wa kukuduro so anyam. Me nya wadwe so Kweku Annan or wa kukuduro. No, enya ne sa enya kukuduro. You see, there's one thing you should know, say truth is very bitter and it's very hard to put it out. And sometimes it comes like a two-edged sword. It slashes both sides. And it's not easy. In the context of African politics and African buccaneering, you people don't like that truth. The Obi kind of cranwa. The Jimmy for Yankwa sponsor Obi. No, let me show bloggers. Move Phoebe. Mensah na blogger Benye. Obe kame mwasem na obe kanzo Ken means you. But then kona kwa yene kreno. Now the answer and the no me see the very swap what the very swap kwabes. Na me yes ma come on, I cannot reduce myself to a sheepishly blogger who doesn't even have any status in the blogging. I'm not talking about the media. In the blogging space one krano only status bia ho. Na sa brand enwa why said apologies to people with that. But the point is that he's one of such a stupid guy going around a self-styled, who hopping around blogging. And why then? So meaning so young people know so me I don't even know. Owusu bempa ba Hot FM. Yes, I was doing something about studio nyama bubuye and a year. How many years ago? A bodam for no modern to say unim nyansa kwa na kwa hwema osofo obi mompa na weninu e be firi influo na ja won sam funa watch event saying 12th century glasses bi de open so Abraham family infama na hye na Fernand Nato You stupid idiot. Mabu boda munim nyansa no. From Ochineko, munko che adwuma na say, my employ mo, munko che adwuma na say na munye adwuma no. Come on. But emom munko ka no kure no. Right? Amam adwuma. Fo. Asemu ebeda ho ne say, me wanna intelli by intelligence no suggest say one, I don't even know these people. I don't know them from anywhere. I haven't even, not in the media landscape, across blogging the crowd. Minim so a nipa benyo so a denyo, whoever I don't even know. But maybe says MPP peniphobia mo to sana mowe. Samo penipebi. Emoma be attack Abranti amisia Kweku bodam for amisia me pamocho. Let me do this with you guys. Look for good people. One, look for smart people. Look for very intelligent people, and look for people who nipo mu omuni nyansa kakra. Don't use people who are, I don't know. I want to, but tonight, folks, some of the words I may use may not necessarily be printable words, because I mean to do something quickly and leave it there. Mu yusu nkrofo mu nyansa kakra wo. Okay? Samo penipa bi emo ba be attack mimi image wa ha. Me pa mo chow. Please. Mu yusu anya, even though they are an Alsatian dogs, they are backing dogs, they are the most useless, senseless, ragamuffins, rogues, scavengers who have no sense and reasons of magnanimity. It doesn't matter, but at least I beg you. Meme had the mudi nipa bi be attack me. Munya very circumspect say munya anyansa for any nipa o ma benya sebi wo munyansa ye adwuma. Well learned people nipa o ma ko school mu sebi o munim nyansa kakra. Yeah. Me nipa we are destitute, completely ignorant. They claim they know, yet swimming in their pool of ignorance. Bunch of ignoramuses. I don't deal with them because I don't even know them. All of them are not my friends, and I don't even know them. And then someone I heard one quoting when I was on radio, and precisely 93.9 Hot FM, where I worked. That was one of the radio station I worked. And that unscrupulous scavenger was talking about my exit from Hot FM and saying that Kweku Annan was sacked. And I say, hello, bro, me? Do you know the circumstances, how I left Hot FM? And you want me to tell you the story tonight? No, I'm not ready for it. But me person in homework. The circumstances leading to my leaving that radio station, Hot FM. They are there. The management are there. And the letters and correspondence, everything is there. And so when you people see a small samunko ye juma will be one, with Jimmy what bother me, no what to was say, at least you are being paid, and I can pay you guys more. A como ya massa, by the way, meto myself a como ya. Into a como ya. Mimi susu say, Mimi dream say, Mimi feel say, Sikana the emoji as emoji. No, don't make a mistake. But at least get the job done and done properly. Go investigate about the person and tell stories that can denigrate the person. Obi kwaya reference obi huni kreno. But when you don't even know the person, 2, information about the person you are putting there is wrong. 3, everything you are saying completely has no bearings about the person's place of work. And you come and sit there. Now you are spewing this garbage, exposing your ignoramuses, and you want, well-meaning Ghanaians to listen to you and make it look as though Kweku Annan yenyano obodam nkusie nkokuo nenkrantie mu jare na Kweku mi penipa moma be ye mi hu adwuma na mehwe this rogues and scavengers muna metumi to omka so meze adwuma na mehwe abran mehwe bema bi hu fi bi sa hwe ne yabiu bi I say kusie wo yi chine no mu. Come on. Mu penifo na mu people no change these guys. There is one among them. Minimum, but on also I know a self-styled blogger. A self-styled blogger. Nidi kramenkai. Na be shock you nipa. Omo pese omo use omo didi say adwuma we. Say, hey. Enti se bio, mo anya adwuma bia anya se me be ye medwuma o. Now no na me ye medwuma o baby. Ene me ye medwuma ha. Na edi asem etitinchina me mekasama MPP ansana. No. Now muni madie. Because Osofu Penny Isaac Owusu bempa akokana sembi wo baby. Ye hwehwe Kweku Annan makwa atake no se makwa edin o. Asofo bi wo mo ye ni bi a enipa bi pese Kweku me yaden me kwa atake sason. Whoever you are calling, please, I'm busy, I'm at work. We'll talk later. Now my failure and my inability say nipa no man come once and say hey yen sponsor enipa bi mo omunko Kweku Annan so. Asembe na Kweku mechia. The intelligence that we have picked about the governing New Patriotic Party, I wouldn't say the entire party, but some elements within the party who for some very strange reasons are not comfortable with the kind of journalism in this house, or if you like, the program that I'm hosting called The Frontline. And they say probably it's as though this program was meant primarily to attack and to confront the governing New Patriotic Party, especially their flag bearer, Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia. Therefore, they are also in the very readiness to sponsor, some call it political miscreants, some rogues, good for nothing bloggers who apparently have no idea who they are, to come, or if you like, to unleash some attack. And I call them sponsorship of the Alsatian dogs, to go out there, chastise and discredit Kweku Annan for want of nothing. Why? Because Kweku Annan is taking it upon the candidates Bawumia. And so they also have to go on this tangent. We've picked all the intelligence. In fact, folks, let me be quick to state this, that I had not wanted to talk about this, no. But upon some pressing demand from some corridors, say Kweku, Mawomu who say, and Nyoma Womo Baben will we. Now, who we as well, no why to say, Ijramwa, we are no Jamom. And let those rented press, let those rented Alsatian dogs start working. And we as well, catch us, useless, stupid rented press, and say, go there and work. Employ them, let them work. Until tonight, sir, rented press if one, they make me a catch them say, beginning tomorrow, Saturday, and the rest until you better bano. My mom will charge. You are being charged to come, work, talk about me, talk about everything. Hey, bibi amupe biya amuti from me sro me hair we hair do say bi ni so na do I have a from my hair all the way to my knee to my toe, come and talk about me, because me means where you swim to ask it to extend my image and what I'm doing here, and by extension of whatever that they have to do, even though a young kontompo, a nabraba, a yakoshisem, any more propaganda fashion, at least one by extended my coverage and my image, they would have to sell out there, however bad it is. Politician be to me for, and that politician, he's late. Yeah. He's one renowned politician, he's late. Now, this politician gave me advice because I didn't have experience in Sanyo Manion, but that open of frame was quick. Sit down. And I'll catch him. You know something? Sometimes try to tolerate what you call bad press about you. And sometimes when a group of people want to talk negative about you, allow it to happen. Do you know why? However negative, however bad, however despicable they want to say, allow that information to also what? Pass through. And all would go to that extent to what? Lift you up. in whatever that God wants to place you. So learn that. And when a years are Honorable late E.T. Mensah, also known as Washe. Those who know him. Yes. He was one of my political icons. Oye no mami book was read this book. And the title of the book is what? The Popes and Their Sex Lives. You see then? He gave me a book to read. The Pope. Oh, Mr. I don't want to offend the Catholic people tonight, but the title of the book is what? The Popes and Their Sex Lives. Our host is here. And that book contains very explosive stuff.
One and who's to show, and I'll start this agenda. I'll say, Mahamadu Bawumia Campaign. And if I could see a Mahamadu Colana it's him. And that was I started the one as Bawumia. Masheda monitor channel no. The bia udi di Bawumia tem. Sanya Bawumia na ya sofo na udi omate. Kweku Annan. Let me tell you this something in this country. Mami ka some cheo. Kweku Annan obia umo brabia yo. Net2 TV also Kweku Annan who say o expose asofo oni Kennedy Agyapong. But edu baby no na program no adani avenue for taking bribe. Adani blackmailing. Nti asofo bebre wa Kweku Annan akogiji omusika mi hu se Kweku Annan start expose bi e ma ne de akwawie da o ha na Kweku Annan beka na asofo ya say and asofo ya say and am investigative journalist saw me who investigative journalist abai Kweku Annan. Let me tell you where so what to afufra anya Dr. Bawumia so Dr. Bawumia enyo no mark ne yapo yi wadi eye unkwasi asem any azra any krono any jimi any nsema any nyinaso a okika any niam bone a na odi Net2 TV ne ye ene ma yi wadi abrante bi e friend Kweku Annan a bobeka na o Net2 TV justice Kweku Annan na Sammy American Kweku Annan eye ne hu nipa bi a o ye dishonest on kan okre baako enne ubi wa ochina ubi no wa Kweku Annan bibisa wasem enne use wo ye campaign ama NDC for no maka to so mo hian wo kaya 2014 wo be ka che se John Mahama ene obi awo ntafo e ma ntafo na e disable e me fa ikosi satam wo ka se mo satam na wo be ka choice FM ena wo start sa ade no satam na lady bi e friend Odebia se se minim baby o na o hostu area program bi o choice FM later na choice FM bu ye no o ko bisin 1 FM ba se ade minim baby o bi no o Kweku apem trip ona no hostu sa show na o start sa agenda no o be say Mahamadu Bawumia ntafo ene fa ikosi na Mahamadu Colana it's him. And that was I started the one as Bawumia Masheda monitor channel no. The bia udi di Bawumia tem. Sanya Bawumia na ya sofo na udi omate. Kweku Annan. Let me tell you this something in this country. Mami ka some cheo. Kweku Annan obia umo brabia yo. You are the most useless human being I've ever come across. Umo brabia yo. Eduma be na why I am pamoda. Me bo records no. Me kasa bitumra no machesi. Entimen kasa obra mini evidence because meaning say asem na make enye den a obi betima share video na Kweku Annan. Entime ka asem na be the evidence beba Kweku Annan na oye adwuma Hot FM. Ye pamo 2 times Hot FM. Oba ono niema edi ka pamo Mahama entafo na obeka ya wanya evidence dia no e ma Hot FM for pamo. Second one maybe ene de obeka Owusu bempa I suppose me pass off Owusu bempa ya okobubu Hot FM for Mike sada na 19 December 2018 me de onze me no asemi ameka bia na mabo date because minim say amanfo ba be challenge me say asema ameka na nya no kre tina me bibia sia na me date na to na damitrim me kan ya na mabo Owusu bempa ebe bubu hot FM for Mike mumisa say then we Owusu Bempa be bubu hot FM for Mike abranche bi a ne oda prison a friend Dominic Apia a uko prison dia odi ko Prince William Tiebedu akwa no ebe ka say Owusu Bempa e okọ e Kwaku Annan program ni so Kwaku Annan so expose asofo na Dominic ibe ka say Owusu Bempa e okọ ana Owusu Bempa ye say sadia Dominic ni so ye okọ ta oni ne committee nti ene Dominic ni nhia no obeba hotefem nti Dominic ni nhia no oba no Dominic na amawo na fe de Owusu Bempa e bisa Kwaku Annan bisa no ensema na Owusu Bempa bufu yi no say and in fact Owusu Bempa wa anyi ni by no case Owusu Bempa bufu yi no say Akufo bia ba betina say meme okọ ti asemo niema Owusu Bempa ko bubu hotefem for Mike na make sure Akufo bia ba say meme okọ nipa no maba me ba be hia nipa na nipa ni nia na wo bisa me kwasesem e na Owusu Bempa bufu yi ba later no Kwaku Annan roya esa ma Owusu Bempa nya problem say okorekodo Owusu Bempa say Owusu Bempa ka say omo twen na nipa NDC fo be yin NPP fo yi omo nipa wi a then wo hu ba bi o de support e befa hwe eno no mu e ma hotefem fo pamu e na wo ba Net2 TV Net2 TV Owusu Bempa Kwaku Annan wo say o expose asofo wo ne Kennedy Agyapong but edu ba bi no na program no adani avenue for taking bribe adani blackmailing nti asofo bebre wa Kwaku Annan akogiji omusika mi hu say Kwaku Annan start expose bi e ma ne de akọwie da ha na Kwaku Annan beka na asofo ya say and asofo ya say and am investigative journalist saw me who investigative journalist abai Kwaku Annan let me tell you where so what for afufra enye Dr. Bawumia so Dr. Bawumia enye no mark ne yapo yi wadi eye unkwasiasem eni azra eni krono eni jimi eni nsema eni nyinaso a okika eni niam bone a na odi Net2 TV ne ye eni ma yi wadi mahama na wo say oni obi a wontafo eni fa ikosi ya wo ma e disable no besi ne what me be kire be bia ntafo no mahama ntafo no mo yi Mahama ntafo na wo se o ma wo oni obi a wo no mo yi Kwaku Annan men nye wa adwin say wo betima disrespect leaders of this country and some of us will keep quiet cha wo kwasi asem na wo ye wo be je ejai hwe ensem a wo ka na hwan na akwa na eja na masa Kwaku Annan we are sick and tired of you hwe class media ya wo ye nchom be yi wadi capital radio ye yi wadi Kwaku Annan ye yi na di sa wo no ni ken krachi na ye adwuma daily satellite ye yi na di okoy andikankam newspaper ni dey the informer obeka 2009 Kwaku Annan ko fake story before papa bia na friend Imano day to me or a motivational speaker Kwaku Annan ko fake before no e ma the informer omo yi na di justice Kwaku Annan no so NDC ni no so NDC ni omo yi na di daily satellite say American and omo yi na di obey capital radio a na wo Kumasi obey omo Accra rep eno so ankosi hu ye yi na di enti Kwaku Annan no omo obra bia wo adwuma bia wa ye bia ye sake no ansa na Net2 TV so mu ina mu nim honorable Kennedy ohene kwa mena akompreku Agyapong ono so bo modi aye de eyi na di Kennedy ohene kwa mena akompreku Agyapong ono so yi Kwaku Annan di enti Kwaku Annan no oye journalist oye nipa bia on kan kore oye dishonest omo obra bia so ye ade bia oye bia no ono an ni interest and orre o started software we na software no betua ma pe kakrama na no jai na se mo se wa started with ono an brother azan abusuam problem na Kwaku Annan oni ne brother wo dada na o de yes ade na o ye mo bia mfa Kwaku Annan serious and Kwaku Annan ye nsro Ghana awo who did the vice president atem se me san ti way o second time se wa san didi Bawumia atem di ma me I will come we no maba ne se oguamafo next time no me ba ne se arena de maba ne se oguamafo amawo by next time no meba ne sare na de ummo brabia ye uti Ghana ana nkwahye asem ni jimi ana wo jimi o Ghana obi anka kenche o obi a wo ye adwuma e wo fo wadwuma wo ye na ye ebi anu a resign o ye pamo Net2 TV ye pamo Ken Daily Satellite ye pamo The Informer ye pamo Hot FM ye pamo Capital Radio ye pamo se wo subai papa aka de na adwuma bi a wo ye bia ye pamo Ghana na wo ye nya se ye nya obi a mane meka vice president asem ye nya obi a mane meka se Dr. Bawumia asem se wo sa nipa we Kweku Annan adwuma bi a wa ye bia ye pamo wo na wo ba beka Bawumia asem Masa give us a break maybe sa question you one dentina adwuma bi a wo ye bia ye pamo 2 2014 wo be ka tell say Mahamadu obi a wo ntafo why na Mahamadu ne wo ntafo no ama ntafo no kwa e disable sa ntafo no mo yi be kire be bia Mahamadu ntafo no a liar Kweku Annan menti se wasa ka vice president asem ni
we waiting for waiting and some of your Kweku Annan at the Afriyie blind history and why Bulgaria ne dika de December to your fan not to be money no and not just what baby you know I reply no so why the passa now what they accept to go down and atuga because just so and over here so we now subscribe we are Boakye Agyarko subscribe to channel as a hadia latest and hot news and Aremeyaw Bremo I feel we are now like video give us a thumbs up na fe share my for so now when you be here now we and somewhere also Ghana memo also betimi a share what Gyamfi some way now I will comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.